This 2026 Venture RV Stratus SR241VRK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Albuquerque, New Mexico, 87121 and is offered for sale by Good Sense RV and Motors. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features a wide interior, sleeps 4, slide-out, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear kitchen, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.